Hello students, in today's class we will see force current analogy. Okay, before going into this force current analogy, we have to find a mathematical model for an electrical system. For this force current, we have to draw RLC parallel circuit. Okay, resistor, inductor, capacitor, all connected to a current source. Okay, this is RLC parallel circuit. Now, how to get a mathematical equation for this? Kirchhoff's current law is the physical law governing this system. So now it will be the current I of t is equal to the current that is flowing through resistor plus the current that is flowing through inductor plus the current that is flowing through capacitor. Right? Now what is the current that is flowing through resistor? It will be V of t by R. What is this V of t? V of t is the voltage across all the three elements. Okay, since the three elements are connected in parallel, the voltage across all the three elements will be the same, and that is V of t. Okay, V of t by R, and that across inductor 1 by L integral V of t dt, and the current that is flowing through the capacitor will be dV of t by dt. Okay. Now what we are going to do is force current analogy. So we will write the equation for a mechanical system just like what we did for force voltage analogy. It is f of t is equal to m d square x by dt square plus b dx by dt plus k x of t. Okay. Now we already know that two systems are said to be analogous when they are represented by similar set of equations. Now this is a second order differential equation, and this also has to be a second order differential equation. So what shall we do? We need to find a replacement for V of t. Okay, what is V of t? V of t is voltage, we know. And what is voltage? Voltage is nothing but rate of change of flux. Okay, so V of t is equal to d phi by dt. When you substitute this d phi by dt in this V of t expression, you will be getting 1 by R into d phi by dt plus 1 by L integral d phi by dt into dt plus C d by dt of d phi by dt. Right? Now you need to simplify this expression to get the force current analogy. See, on simplifying, this equation becomes I of t is equal to C d square phi by dt square, right? C d by dt of d phi by dt is nothing but d square phi by dt square plus 1 by R d phi by dt, right? Next, here you have d phi by dt into dt, dt gets cancelled, integral of d phi is phi of t, so it is 1 by L into phi of t. So now we have the equations for a simple mass spring damper system, and also the equation for resistor, inductor and capacitor connected in parallel. So here we can write the analogous very easily. What is it? For a mechanical system, input is force, and for this electrical it is current. So f of t is equivalent to I of t. Next, displacement x of t is equivalent to flux phi of t. Then mass is equivalent to C and B damping coefficient is equivalent to 1 by R, and spring constant K is equivalent to 1 by L. Okay, this is force current analogy. As I have told you already, don't memorize, just write these equations, and from these two equations you can get the force current analogy.